Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I come up with a new video. How to draw Lord Krishna Sudarshan Chakra and flute of a pencil sketch in just a 5 minute. In this quick 5 minute video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful pencil sketch of Lord Krishna featuring his iconic Sudarshan Chakra and enchanting flute. Follow me as I guide you step by step through the process, allowing you to unleash your creativity and capturing the divine essence of Lord Krishna. And this skilled hands bring the enchanting deity to life on paper, adorned with his iconic Sudarshan Chakra and mesmerizing flute, guided by me and a step-by-step tutorial will take you through the artistic journey of the capturing the essence of Lord Krishna's graceful and mystic. From the graceful curves of the Sudarshan Chakra to the delicate details of the flute, each stroke will unveil the spirit of this beloved Hindu deity. Whether you are an aspiring artist or simply seeking a moment of creative expression, this video is tailored for all skill levels. Embrace the meditative process of pencil sketching and unlock the artistic power within you as you draw Lord Krishna with his powerful Sudarshan Chakra and the instrument that echoes his divine melodies, the flute. Join us in this short, mesmerizing artistic video and let the magic of Lord Krishna's presence inspire your pencil to create a masterpiece that resonates with the spiritual soul. Discover the joy of bringing a timeless and revered figure to life on a paper in just 5 minutes. And coming to the first of all, outlining the figure means being by lightly sketching the outline of Lord Krishna's divine figure and focus on the elegant posture, capturing his characteristic flute holding hand and the other hand holding the Sudarshan Chakra lot. Forming the Sudarshan Chakra, concentrate on the intricate design of the Sudarshan Chakra, Lord Krishna's powerful weapon. Carefully draw the circular outline with evenly spaced serrated edges, radiating strength and potency, adding details like Sudarshan Chakra. Within the circular outline, draw the embellishments that adorn the Sudarshan Chakra, reflecting its majestic nature. Ensure that the details are precise at following, capturing the essence of this formidable weapon. And next step, crafting the flute. Switch your focus to the enchanting flute held tenderly by Lord Krishna. Pay attention to the slender and delicate structure of the flute, incorporating the finger holes and any decorative elements. And enchanting Lord Krishna's features, return to Lord Krishna's form and enrich the sketch by adding facial features. And facial features means like expression in hands with a accessories like whatever you like it. Capture the divine aura that surrounded him, embodying the eternal charm also. And next step, fine tuning the sketch means tuning means refine the lines and strokes, erasing any unnecessary guidelines to achieve a clean and polished appearance. Ensure that each element complements the overall composition, evoking a sense of harmony and reverence. And coming to the shading normally generally for depth reason, add depth and dimension to the sketch through the subtle shading using varying degrees of pressure to the pencil, and this will give you the drawing three-dimensional quality and enhancing the visual impact of the artwork. And final touches, review your pencil sketch and make any final adjustments to achieve the desired level of detail and accuracy. Embrace your creative instincts and imbue the drawing with your unique artistic style. And adding colors also, orange color for the Sudarshan Chakra and light blue and other whatever you like it. And in this pencil sketch drawing, I have successfully captured the captivating presence of Lord Krishna adorned with his symbolic Sudarshan Chakra and flute in just 5 minutes. May this artistic endeavor inspires you and turn into a devotion and admiration for the divine. that's all for today. Do you have any doubts? You can comment in the comment section also. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Follow for more.